Hey guys, going to do a little video here today on re-rolling your film. You get all this stuff from the other supplier and it comes on it backwards, and a lot of times they don't even put a tube inside of it. Makes it really tight when you get to the end. So what I do is I find a larger piece of tube to go on the 1-inch PVC, maybe 1.25 inches. I think this fits on the inside diameter. It might be 1.5 inches, but it's electrical tubing. And I just cut a piece of that off. I'll spin this roll on, and I can put the film on whichever way I want it. When I want it to roll out, I can actually have the bottom side down. A lot of times they put them on backwards, and it's just a little frustrating. Anyway, we'll do a little time lapse here. Try this out. What I'm going to do with this roll here is I'm just going to set it down off the table on a chair. The arms of the chair will hold it in place for me, and then I can just keep on going until it's completely done. Anyway, get right back with you.